What's going on, everybody? Stay back with another video for most people out there. Today, I'm back again with another dance choreography. That's right. Before we get started, don't forget to smash that like button and don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Turn the catch button as well to be notified to miss out on my dance choreographies, dance covers, dance moves, anything dance related, even reaction videos and all that good stuff as well. If you guys have missed any of my dance covers, dance moves, anything dance related, anything like that, definitely check out our previous videos so you guys can be up to date and all that good stuff as well. Also, don't forget to smash the subscribe button, turn the catch button as well to be notified to miss out on my future videos. You guys will be the first person to be notified when I post every video that comes out, and which is every week. That's right. And also don't forget to comment what's your favorite video of mine you guys enjoy the most, and also don't forget to follow me on all my social medias down below as well to keep up to date what I do on a daily basis and all good stuff as well. I appreciate the love and support. So no further ado, let's get right into it. Let's get it. But today's video, I'm going to just teach you guys how to do the gas pedal dance choreography step by step. This is a little dance tutorial. So if you guys are ready to dance with me, then smash that like button, comment below you're ready, and let's get right into it. Let's get it. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to start off just like this and this movement here. So we're going to start off with our first move is going to be out like this. So it's going to be out like this. So we're going to be out here, and then we're going to go up, and then we're going to go boom. So we're going to go here, we're going to go down, up, hit, down, up, hit, down, up, hit. So just like that. That's the first movement, okay? And for that part there, we're going to do that about 3 times. And for that movement there, you can do it in any different type of way you want to do it that you feel most comfortable. So if you guys want to do it this way, so you can go down. So you're going to go chit-chit, up, and then boom, boom. So chit-chit, up, and then hit. So again, so you're gonna go down, reloaded, shout out to Omi, by the way, boom, chit-chit, up, hit, just like that, okay? So again, chit-chit, up, pivot, just like that, as you can see with my movements. And I'll show you guys a different way to do it as well if you guys feel like you guys can't do that. Anyway, so again, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna go down, starting up, down, up, so up, so you're gonna go up just like that, and then you're gonna go put it up just like this, and then now you're gonna pivot. With pivoting, what you're doing is she's gonna go slide. So what you're gonna do is your right leg's gonna go out like this, and your left leg's gonna go out. So you can see, so see it's going out that way. So again, so if you guys don't know how to do this part, just what it is, this right leg here is gonna go pivot, just like this slightly, and this left leg is gonna go out, just like that. And you guys, it's pretty much the same movement to your right, to whatever leg that you do it on. Right or left, it's pretty much the same movement. See, just like that. It's pretty simple, right? Okay, cool. So again, so we're gonna go for now the different way to do it. Now, different way to do it you can do is you can go here. How you can do it is you can go here, out, up, and you guys can go just like that. Without you guys even pivoting, you guys can just go out, just like that. But you got to give it a whole little effect to it as well to give it little details. So again, you guys can go down, up, here, and then go out. So again, down, here, up, and then out, just like that. And you're gonna do that about 3 times, okay? So let's go from the beginning again. So again, so once you guys got that down pat, we're gonna move to the next step. So this is just, I'm gonna show you guys once more how to do this. So you guys can either do it this way, so down, hit, up, pivot, down, or you guys can do it down, hit, up, and then do it this way. So it doesn't matter which way you do it, it's pretty much the same movement. So if you guys want to do it that way, if you guys feel comfortable for the first one or the second one. All right, now for the next movement. So once you guys done that, you're gonna do it about 3 times. So I'll do it once more. So here, up, hit, up, boom, boom, boom. So here, hit, boom, boom, hit, here, boom, hit, just like that. Okay, cool. So once you guys got the down packed, you've done that 3 times. Also, we're gonna go to the next movement, which is gonna be chest. You're gonna pumping your chest down. Okay. So what you're gonna do is you're just gonna go out. That's all you do, okay? Your arm's gonna be out like this, and you're just gonna pump it. And when you do this part here, what you're doing is you're gonna go hit. That's what you're doing. You're kind of just giving a little hit to it as well when you're doing it. You see how I'm doing it? Just a little chest hit, chest hit, chest hit. So you're gonna go 1, 2, 3, just like that. So about 3 times as well as from the first movement as well, and now the second. So you're gonna go chest out, chest out, chest out. Okay, you guys got that? You guys following up with me? If you guys are, comment below. And if you guys aren't, that's fine. You guys can definitely feel free to rewind this, or yeah, you guys can feel free to rewind this. All right. So again, so chest out, chest out, chest out. So once you do that, so once you hit your chest, once you get your chest out, and then now you're gonna go to the next movement, which is gonna be, this way it gets kind of tricky, but what you're gonna do is it's gonna be a leg footwork. So this is where the footwork comes in. So this left leg here is gonna go. So you're gonna go boom, boom, where it kind of gets difficult. So it comes this is where it comes, the little footwork into it. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna start off with your right, and you're gonna go here, boom, 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 boom. And obviously you're gonna add your arm movements into it as well to kind of give it that whole little flavor to it. So you're gonna go here, boom, back, boom. And what you're doing is you just kind of like, it's like you're doing this in a way. It's like you're doing that, pivoting. If you guys know how to do that, then you guys can definitely know how to do that. You guys can do it backwards. That's fine. But yeah, if you guys don't, that's fine. You guys, what you're gonna do is you guys gonna go here, 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 back, just like that. Okay. So that's all you pretty much do. So again, so out, here, out, here. So that's what you're pretty much doing. So again, start doing different angles. So you're gonna go. So you're pretty much gonna go here. Start off here first, right? Here, here, now to your left. So again, I do it. Here, 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 here. So just like that. So you can see. So I do it again. So here, 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 here. And I'll do it once more. So here, 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 here. Just like that. That's pretty much how you do it. So if you guys know how to do that, it's awesome. If you guys don't, you guys can feel free to run this till you guys get it down pat. So I'll do it once more. So what you're gonna do, your arm's gonna be out like this, and you're just gonna pivot to your right. Now you're gonna bring it in. Now you're gonna go back, bring it back. So again, so pivot to your right, bring it in, and then boom, your leg just comes in. So pivot to your right, boom, boom, yep, boom, just like that. So again, out, out, in. So you're gonna go out, out, in, out, in, just like that. So you're gonna go right and then left. So once you guys got that down packed, now we're gonna go to the next move, which is obviously the little keyword of it, gas pedal. So you're gonna go, it's gonna say something about whatever, and then you're just gonna go into your movement. So you're gonna go here, here. You're gonna do that about 2 times. So you go 1, 2. Yep. And then once you guys done that, then you guys can just go to pivot. So pretty much what you did in the middle part there, you're just gonna go here and just freestyle and do whatever you guys want to do at the end there. All right. Awesome. If you guys were following up with me, smash that like button, tell me what your thoughts so far. Smash the subscribe button if you haven't already. And also, thanks so much for you to subscribe. Thanks so much for tuning in and also joining Jenny as well. Appreciate love and support. All right. So now, what I'm going to do is show you guys once more. And after I'm going to show you guys how it's supposed to go all together. And also tell me what your thoughts down below there. And I appreciate love and support. So let's get right into it. Let's get it. Go once more. So I'm going to start off with that first from the beginning. So it's going to be here. And keep in mind, you guys can do it different ways. So I told you guys from the start there. So you guys can go here, down, ch-ch, up, hit, hit. So again, down, up, here, hit, just like that. Or you guys can do it that way. So it depends which way you will feel most comfortable. So yeah, you guys can do it whatever way you want to do it. Okay, awesome. So again, so we're gonna do that about 3 times. So down, hit, 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 1, down, up, hit, 2, down, up, hit, 3. Okay. So once you've done that, now the next movement is gonna be the chest. So you're gonna pump your chest, pump, pump, pump. So 1, 2, 3. Awesome. Okay, you guys can definitely do that. I see. Okay, again. So again, 1, 2, 3. There we go. Okay. I like that one. So again, once more. So 1, 2, 3. There we go. Okay. Now for the next move, it's gonna be this movement here. So that's where the leg work comes in, or footwork, I should say. That's where it comes in. What you're gonna do with this part is you're gonna go right, so you can see. So this is so if you're gonna start with your right, you're just gonna go, so you're gonna start here. I mean, if you're gonna start with your left, it doesn't matter which way you start, but it's just the same. And at the end of the day, so here, here. So as you can see, so if you guys wanna start with your, if you wanna start like that, you guys can definitely feel free to do so. So what you're gonna do is you're just gonna go here, and this left leg is gonna go up like that. And as you can see, this right leg is gonna go to your left. But if you did it on the other side, it's gonna go to your right. That's right, okay? Awesome. So let's go again. So it's gonna go he, and in, just like that. And it's just gonna give it a whole little, just gonna give it a little tap just like this. And then now you're gonna repeat the same movement, bring it out. And it's gonna go, so now you're gonna go here. As you can see, now it's gonna go here, and then here. Yep, just like that. Again, so you go here, then you go here. So once you go, yep, just like that. So again, so you're gonna go here. Now your right leg is gonna go to your left, and just like that. So I do it once more. So just like that. Awesome. So I do it once more. So yep, and yep. So once more again. just like that. So once you're done that part there, now I'm gonna go. Now it's arm movement, so I'm gonna come down just like this. So once we're done that, we're gonna bring, once we're done our little hit, yep. And then this arm movement's gonna come up, it's gonna come down just like this, and you're just gonna go hit. So all you're doing is just taking a step, your left hand's just taking a step, and just gonna give it a little slide to it, just like that. That's all you're doing. As you can see my movement as well, it's kind of following up with it as well. Hit. So you're gonna do it once, and then now you're gonna do it again. So you're gonna do it 2 times. So 1, and then 1, 2. Yep, so again, you're gonna go 1, and then 1, 2. Yep, just like that. So I do it once more. So 1, and then 1, 2, just like that. And then you guys can just add whatever you want to do at the end there. Add your little smears into it. Add your little Michael Jackson into it as well. So you guys can just add whatever you guys want to do at the end there. So that's pretty much it there. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you guys how it's supposed to look like all together. And if you guys want to challenge yourself to do it with me, that's fine. You guys can definitely feel free to do so. If you guys haven't gone the concept, you guys haven't gone the movements so far or anything like that, definitely feel free. You guys can feel free to rewind this at your own pace. You guys definitely will get it. I believe in you guys. And yeah, and all that stuff as well. So if you guys enjoyed this, smash the like button, comment below with your thoughts. Also smash the subscribe button as well. And thanks all for tuning in and also for joining the journey. And I appreciate love and support. So now, I'm gonna show you guys how it's supposed to look like. After that, I'm gonna leave in your guys' hands. And all I'm gonna do is just count you guys in, and that's it. So now let's go from, are you ready? All right, let's go. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go. So that's it there. That's how it's supposed to look like. So I'll do it again. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go. So that's it. That's how it's supposed to look like. So I'll do it once more. After I'm gonna leave it in your guys' hands and see how you guys go with it, all right? So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's get it. And that's how it's supposed, pretty much how it's supposed to look like. So if you guys enjoy that, smash the like button, comment with your thoughts, and also smash the subscribe button if you haven't already. Also, if you're new subscribe, thanks all for subscribing, tuning in, and thanks all for joining the journey as well. I appreciate love and support. And if you guys want to incorporate all these dance moves and put music, like use music now, you guys can definitely feel free to do so. If you guys haven't gone the concept, that's fine. You guys can definitely feel free to do this at your own pace. And you guys definitely will get it, and I believe in you guys. And also don't forget to check out my previous videos and check out my previous videos and tell me your thoughts, or even just check out previous videos if you guys haven't seen already, and so you guys can be up to date and all that stuff as well. And I appreciate love and support. Thanks all for subscribing and also for tuning in and also for joining the journey. If you guys learned this dance coffee, don't forget to tag me, and I definitely would repost you guys on my socials and all good stuff as well. So that's my way of supporting back as well how you guys support me. So that being said, it's been your boy Dave. Thanks so much for watching. I'm signing out. See you guys next video. Peace. Yeah.